Welcome to vlog number 21. I'm Dr. Zero Melia, and today is August 2, 2020. I've been buying a lot of stuffs lately, and if you know me personally, that's not a thing I do because most people who know me know that I live a frugal lifestyle. But ever since this pandemic, I changed my mind because I'm in a high risk profession, I'm not very well paid, and the lockdowns have severely limited shopping. Last week, I got
PICAUTO
PICAUTO
for
Premium
two
Seat
seats.
Cover, which
We have
is
a
a
bed complaint.
folks black
Uh,
leather car seat cover from
we
Mr.
just grabbed
DIY.
the high
My
back
wife just got it off the shelf and it
and
was
tested out
marked
with the
down. It was
Ford
worth
Ranger.
25 US dollars or 1,300 Philippine pesos for two car seats. Usually, fake leather seats like these fetch for twice that price, so I took it. The first thing I noticed is that they don't have a strong smell. I can usually differentiate fake or synthetic leather from real ones immediately by smell. I have a very sensitive nose. Real tan leather apparently doesn't activate my allergies. Fake ones make me sneeze. This Pic Auto leather seat cover is actually synthetic or fake, but it didn't make me sneeze, and that's plus. The next thing I noticed is that this thing is thin. This is not first time I installed leather car seat covers. My dad likes to buy them
Here we
before and
go.
I've
She
helped
bought this
installing
thing.
them.
So
You
she's
usually
putting
need
it
help
on
because fake leather
so we
seats
can
used to
check
be
if
very
leather
thick and
likes
hard to fit,
seats.
but that was like a decade ago. I never bought car seat covers for any of my cars, and I usually use the stock ones they gave me after purchase. So I never really got updated about all this stuff about seat covers. So the thinness of this product is one that also surprised me. Another thing I noted is that it doesn't heat up during hot days. To people living further from the equator, leather seats are ideal in cars because it absorbs heat and helps you when you are driving in a cold environment. But in the tropics, like here in the Philippines, you can't sit down on leather seat when you leave your car in direct sunlight. With the case of Pig Auto car seats, they absorb heat, but compared to the basic cloth seat, there is no difference. I could immediately sit on my car on a hot day. The last thing that surprised me with this product is that it's fast to install. I thought I was going to break it in some of the areas, but it slid perfectly in place. It probably took me 2 to 3 minutes per chair. So the finished product is a mix of class and sport. At first, it doesn't
Here's
look
part
like
siya din
anything in the
wala dun.
picture because of the air pockets. You
May
have to sit on
pinagayaan
it a
na to.
few times to get it all
May
ironed
itong
out,
blue.
and after a few days of driving, people would actually think that it's leather. So you like this video? Why not give it a thumbs up? And if you like more of my content, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. And check out the show notes below for the link to Pick Auto car seat covers. I haven't been a regular uploader since COVID hit because in my job I have to keep up with the contact tracing and prevent COVID from spreading in my community. So until I see you guys, this is Zero MD, physician, firefighter, vlogger. Goodbye and peace out.